السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning guys. Welcome to our lesson today. We will study lesson 12 form, meaning and function. Page 21. The first part today is request. Request اللي هو الطلب يا شباب. الطلب request. Use can, could, will or would for request. نستخدم أحد هذه الكلمات can, could, will أو would. Can you help me? Could you help me? If you agree لو وافقت على المساعدة بتقول له sure no problem. طب لو رافض بتقول له sorry I can't. ممكن برضو نطلب منه بطريقة تانية نقول له will or would. Will you help me? Would you help me? لو موافق بنقول of course. طب رافض بنقول له not now I am busy. commands للأوامر. لما بنيجي ندي أوامر بنقول use the imperative for commands. بنستخدم الفعل الأمر لما بنيجي ندي أو نعطي تعليمات أو أوامر. نقول له turn right at the intersections. turn right يعني اتجه يمينا turn right. وممكن العكس turn left. don't park the car there. don't park the car there يعني لا تركن السيارة هناك. don't park يبقى بنستخدم في الأوامر يا إما الفعل turn أو أي فعل نبدأ به، يا إما نستخدم don't وبعدها الفعل. ديت لو بننهي عن عمل شيء لا تفعل. reporting requests and commands. لما بنيجي نعمل report يعني ننقل الكلام اللي فيه request أو command. نعمل إيه؟ ask or tell بنستخدم ask أو tell plus objectives or pronoun plus infinitive. ناخد مثال عشان نوضح. بيقول لي can you help me? My mother asked me. عايز نحولها الريبورت لكلام منقول بنقول my mother asked me to help her. يبقى بناخد الفعل هنا help ونحط قبليه to. turn right said Omar to his brother. When we report this we say Omar told his brother to turn right. don't be late said their parents. Their parents told them not to be late. يبقى لو كان عندي فعل أمر بنستخدم to. طب لو كان نهي نستخدم not to. نلاحظ هنا الكلام المباشر يبقى دايما بين quotation. ده الكلام اللي الشخص قاله. لو أنا بننقل الكلام ده أو بنعيده بنحذف الكوتيشن، بنحذف علامات التنصيص وبنستخدم يا إما فعل ask أو الماضي منه asked، يا إما told الماضي من tell يبقى ask أو tell أو الماضي منهم asked أو told. بعدها الأوبجكت اللي هو me أو هنا told his brother هنا told them. بعد كده يا to يا not to. Is it clear? Okay, now let's practice exercise A. Report the requests and comments. Number 1. Put on your seat belts, the father said to his children. Okay, Ali?
The father told to his children to put on their seat belts.
Very good, Ali. Thank you. But take care. Said is followed by to. دايما said يا شباب، دايما الفعل said تلاقيه بعديه حرف جر to، ولكن لما نيجي نستخدم told هنحذف to. يبقى هنقول the father told his children. يبقى said بتحتاج to، أما told بدون to. The father told his children to put on their seat belts. وهنا حولنا your إلى their لأننا بنتكلم على children. their seat belts. Number 2. Would you drive us to the airport? Abdullah's cousins asked him. We say Abdullah's cousins asked him to drive them to the airport. Abdullah's cousin asked him is the pronoun to drive. To drive is the infinitive. يبقى الانفينيتيف يا شباب هنا اللي هو to ومعاه الفيرب اللي هو drive. Number 3. Please don't drive so fast. The woman said to her husband. Okay, Abdulaziz.
The woman told her husband not to drive so fast.
Very good. Thank you, Abdulaziz. The woman told her husband not to drive so fast. Number 4. Don't ride your motorcycle in the rain, said the mother to her son. Okay, Sulaiman.
The mother told his son not to drive his motorcycle in the rain.
In the rain. Very good. Thank you, Sulaiman. The mother told her son not to drive his motorcycle in the rain. Number 5. Could you please fill up the gas tank? The man asked the gas station attendant. We say, the man asked the gas station attendant to fill up the gas tank. To fill up. This is the infinitive. To fill up. Last one. Can you check the brakes? Ahmed asked the mechanic. They don't work well. We say Ahmed asked the mechanic to check the brakes. Exercise B. What did the driver or what did the driving instructor say? Write the requests and comments. I had my third driving lesson yesterday. It was the first time I drove on the highway. The driving instructor told me to turn onto the highway carefully. Who can complete? Okay, Ali?
He asked me to drive faster. He asked me to drive faster, so I sped up. There was a truck moving slowly in front of me. He told me not to tailgate, so I passed the truck. Then he told me to watch out for the motorcycle. I changed lanes quickly to avoid the motorcycle. Then the driving instructor asked me to pull over and stop the car because I was driving dangerously. What did I do wrong?
Okay, thank you, Ali. Here, the first request, here the instructor said, turn onto the highway carefully. So, we say, turn onto the highway carefully. This is the first request here, turn onto. Okay? And the second request, could or would or can or will. One of these words. Could you drive faster? Here he said, he asked me to drive faster. So, the request was, could you or would you drive faster? Number 3, don't tailgate. As we said before in previous lesson, tailgate means to be close to the front car, okay? To drive your car near or close to the front car. Number 4, watch out for the motorcycle. Watch out for the motorcycle. Here we report, he told me to watch out for the motorcycle. This is the report. The request was, watch out for the motorcycle. Last request, could you or would you or can you pull over and stop the car? Pull over. The instructor asked me to pull over and stop the car. So the request was, could you pull over and stop the car? These are the requests of the driving instructors. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you next lesson. Inshallah. Goodbye.